Hey, it's Laz from the Econ Profit Academy. This is Making a Millionaire, the series where we take a 16-year-old and we make him a millionaire through e-commerce. In this video right here, we're going to be finalizing the whole theme process. It's going to be a short video, and at the end, we're going to throw in some tips. So stay until the end. I know it's very little simple steps that you just have to follow through, but I just wanted to cover everything, and I wanted to just teach you how a 16-year-old can go through the entire process. So without any further ado, let's get started. So we're going to go ahead and save that. And we're gonna go into the last thing that we're gonna cover for episode 1 of this Making a Millionaire series. We're gonna finish it off right now. We're gonna go back into our theme. So go back into your theme. Are you getting comfortable with the platform already? How do you feel? Yeah. You know, it's not so bad.
Yeah. Customize.
Customize our venture theme. That's the theme that Gilbert picked just because he liked it better than the other ones, which is fine. Each theme you can be experimental with it. Try out different themes. We're going to click on footer. We're going to click on footer menu. We're going to click change. I think we might actually have to add things to a footer menu. So good thing that we have this other tab open here. We're going to go into online store, click navigation. And as you can see, we have two menus here. We have footer and we have main. So these pages that we just created, we want to add them to the footer menu so that they can come out on our footer. So you're going to click footer menu and add a menu item. Add a menu item.
Oh.
Yep. And then click bottom where it says search or paste the link. Click there. You're going to click pages. And then you're going to select each one of those. So add. Another one, pages. We're going to add that. We're going to select pages. And we're going to terms of service. And we will add that as well. And then we'll save the menu. Awesome. So now we're going to go back to the theme. And we will select footer menu, refresh that. It should come up. There we are. Footer menu. Footer menu. So we did a few things, Gilbert. Do you want to give us a rundown? So what we did today?
So what we've done so far is we've started up the Shopify store.
Okay.
We've made the page.
Okay.
We made the email.
Okay.
We've customized the page for personal preference.
Okay.
And then we've made our footer menu with our policies.
Yeah. Show them the byproduct of what we've done so far. So go through this.
All right. So we have Nuts Garage
we got our domain.
With our domain, and with the best car accessories.
Yeah. We created a logo using Canva. All right. And now we've made some edits to our theme. Gilbert selected a theme that he liked to his personal preference. We figured out a color scheme. We put our privacy policy and our terms in there as well. And yeah, so that's a good step on your first day. We're gonna get to work. I think we still have a lot of work to do, but
yeah,
I think for the first day of Gilbert's training, he's done a lot. How do you feel so far?
Pretty good. I'm ready to make money.
You're ready to make money? So Gilbert's ready to make money. I think we're in a good place. So that's gonna wrap up episode 1 of the Making a Millionaire series. This is Gilbert. Any parting words?
Be safe.
I guess be safe. All right, guys. So I'll see you there. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for all these new episodes that we're going to be putting out. Remember, I don't know how often we're going to do this, but we're going to be putting out new episodes regularly as Gilbert is available, and he'll be making his store. We'll be setting everything up, and hopefully we'll get the 16-year-old to making some money really early in his life so he can be financially fluent really early. Okay, it looks like you want to say something.
And just because I'm gonna start making money doesn't mean I'm gonna stop studying. So any kids that are watching this video, stay in school and please study, get good grades. Don't be like Johnny.
Oh God! Shots fired to the camera guy. So that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
I love you, Johnny.
So there you have it. We went over the entire theme editing process. Most of the store setup is finalized at this point, and there's still stuff that we need to do. Now again, these videos were very tedious, very step-by-step, very just following a process, but it's super important that you remember that this process is important for you to set up. If you don't set this up, this is the foundation of your store. Your store has to look good. It has to look professional. If not, people aren't gonna think that you're a legit store. If you don't have terms, if you don't have any of that stuff, if you don't set up your theme the right way, it just will not look good. So it's super important, super crucial that you follow through all this. If you've been following along, thank you for watching. If you liked it, like this video, like it in the comments, subscribe, let me know what you think in the comments. We're gonna be moving forward. In the next section, it's gonna be insane. In the next section, we're actually gonna be talking about product research. There's a little few things that you can expect, how we're finding products, how we're testing these products, all that good stuff. It's all coming to you soon. But yeah, we're just moving along in the chain of things to come, and there's gonna be so much more value. But I'm hoping you're enjoying this so far. Again, it's very step-by-step, but it is very important, very instrumental in your foundation and in your future success. So thank you guys for watching this. We're gonna keep it going, keep watching, be on the lookout for new videos as they're coming in hot every single week. And yeah, if you haven't listened to the podcast, that's also a great place for you to go check out the podcast. Go check out videos from my business partner Richard. They're all over the channel. Podcast is on Apple Music. I think it's on the YouTube channel as well. Apple Podcast, Spotify Podcast, just somewhere where we talk, express our ideas in a good space. So looking forward to seeing you soon. Again, leave some comments below. Want to get to know what you're doing, how you feel, and what you've gotten out of this entire process, and looking forward to keep helping you and helping you grow into the best e-commerce business that you can be. All right, so see you on the next one.